What is aluminum extrusion? Aluminum extrusion is a alloying material with aluminum as the main component. The market currently divides aluminum profiles into 8 main series. 1 series, aluminum alloy. 2 series, aluminum copper alloy. 3 series, aluminum manganese alloy. 4 series, aluminum silica alloy. 5 series, aluminum magnesium alloy. 6 series, aluminum magnesium silica alloy. 7 series, aluminum zinc alloy. 8 series, other alloy systems. In the automation industry, several 6 aluminum alloys are used for their strength, toughness, machinability advantage. In front of me are several commonly used types of several 6 aluminum extrusions. Standard profiles, widely used in various industries, suitable for structures with general load requirements. Single-sided edge profiles, suitable for application requiring edging on one side, enhancing both the aesthetics and functionality of the structure. Double-sided edge profiles, suitable for applications needing edging on both sides, offering an attractive appearance and reducing the need for manual strip work. They are widely used in high-demand mechanical frames. Semi-accurate and accurate profiles, mainly used for frames with design requirements involving curved structures. Black profiles, specially surface treated for specific application scenarios, such as light-absorbing environment. Irregular profiles, customized to meet specific needs, offering flexible design solutions. Large-scale profiles, typically used for constructing large equipment or structures. Our China shows a complete production process of aluminum rods, molds, and extrusions from our factory. Feel free to click and watch if you are interested. First, we produce extrusion molds based on customer requirement. Heated and softened aluminum rods are extruded through the molds using an extruder, followed by stretching and straightening. An important aspect to know is the well thickness of the extruded profiles. For standard profiles, the thinnest wall can be 1 mm, while the thickest can be 6 mm. The thicker the wall, the heavier the weight per meter, and the higher the cost. For example, if there is no load-bearing requirement, selecting the 14 series specification with the suffix C can reduce cost by approximately 14% compared to the same series with the suffix J. At this step, customization from joints is also possible to fully meet various shape requirements. After straightening, the aluminum profiles undergo an aging treatment. Typically, they are held at a high temperature for a period of time before cooling to improve performance and stabilize microstructure. There are usually 2 types of aging treatment for aluminum profiles. For example, the A606-3T5 materials use air cooling during quenching for aging treatment, with a typical hardness of 8 to 12 HW. In contrast, A606-3T6 material uses water cooling during quenching, resulting in a relatively higher hardness of around 13.5 HW. It's often combined with alkaline sand oxidation for surface treatment. Therefore, for the same specifications and dimensions, A606-3T6 is comparatively more expensive. After the aging process of the aluminum profiles is complete, the final step involves oxidation and other surface treatment. There are typically 4 types of surface treatment for profiles, listed in order of cost from lowest to highest. Process 05, sandblasting and anodizing. This involves sandblasting followed by anodizing. Its main advantages is cost effectiveness, but the surface is prone to scratching. Process 02, Alkali sand anodizing. This involves alkali etching followed by anodizing. The surface has a metallic texture, high hardness, and is scratch resistant. However, it requires high precision in mold and extrusion processes. Process 06. Sandblasting and electrophoretic coating, suitable for corrosive environment. This involves sandblasting and anodizing, followed by electrophoretic coating to form a resin layer on the profile surface. It is highly corrosion resistant, easy to clean, but not heat resistant. Process 03. Black anodizing. This involves sandblasting, anodizing in a sulfuric acid electrolyte, and black dyeing. These profiles are commonly used in inspection equipment due to the light-absorbing properties of the black surface. As shown in the processes above, the more complex the surface treatment, the higher the cost. Therefore, profiles with the same specifications and dimensions can vary in price depending on the surface treatment. This is our company's aluminum profile selection interface. As mentioned above, the lightweight and heavy-duty specifications correspond to 606A in the interface. The material A60635 corresponds to material and aging treatment, while the code AOB05 refers to the surface treatment. Now, let me introduce the detailed specification sheet. For example, AOB05 60608 L50. A stands for the profile product. OB refers to European standard profiles, and the number 05 indicates the surface treatment type. 6060 specifies the cross-sectional dimensions of the profile. The letter A is used to distinguish between heavy-duty and lightweight types with the same side length, as well as between rounded and square corners. L50 indicates the length of the aluminum profile in millimeters. If additional letters follow, such as LM, they indicate further possession of the aluminum profile, such as draining or tapping. By now, do you feel you have a deeper understanding of aluminum profiles? Let me show you the post-processing workshop, which hasn't been shown in our previous aluminum profile production videos. This is our 8,000 square meter aluminum profile warehouse with an annual shipment value over 15,000 tons and daily orders of around 2 million RMB. The inventory value here remains at 65 million yuan year-round, covering more than 800 types of aluminum profile products and more than 1,500 types of product accessories. In this building, we handle all processes, including aluminum profile, cutting, machining, and assembly. The equipment frame you are using may well have been made here. This is a customer-designed aluminum profile compound machining center. It features 3-axis linkage and can perform precise machining processes, such as milling, drilling, chamfering, and tapping in a single clapping. The machine is equipped with a 24-tool carousel magazine, and the tool change time is only 2 seconds. This one has a machining stroke of 6.05 meters, and we have 9 of them here. This is our independently developed bi-directional drilling equipment, which allows precise control of depth, vertical and horizontal alignment. It significantly improves machining efficiency. The assembly area for profile application-related products, with a professional assembly team of over 400 members. Let me show you most common connection method for profiles. Straight connection, often used to connect two profiles. If the profiles are not long enough, a straight connector can be used for a high-stressing connection. Built-in connectors, suitable for 90-degree angle connections, providing high connection stress. with a simple and aesthetically pleasing appearance. However, additional profile machining is required. Corner slot connectors, suitable for 90-degree angled connections, inserted into the profile slot. Easy to install with moderate connection strength. Both built-in and corner slot connectors are hidden connections. From a cost-performance perspective, we recommend using built-in connectors. External connectors. This divided into die-cast corner bricks and extruded corner bricks, each with their own advantages and disadvantages. For standard 90-degree angle connections, we recommend die-cast corner bricks. For complex angle connections, we suggest using extruded corner bricks. 3D connectors, used to make right-angle connections between straight profiles, suitable for applications with more complex angles. You can choose between right angle or round designs. The equipment frame is assembled using the above method, with frame combinations such as profile sheet mantle, profile plate, and frame square tube. We also have a lovely mount and cast workshop. If you are interested, you can watch our production video. Any questions after seeing all this, please leave your comment and interact with us in the comment section.